Okay, today I'll show you how you can, in German tax law, in the Elster thingy, present your ZM, which is a Zusatzmeldung, which is very, it's not actually important, but you know, it's part of German bureaucracy, which you have to send in if you receive a payment from Google, because those bastards are not actually located in the US for us Europeans, but they are located in Ireland, which is inside of the European Union. So these weird ZMs are important. So you're gonna click on Formulare und Leistungen, click on Alle Formulare, click on Umsatzsteuer, because this is a part of your, in most cases, quarterly Umsatzsteuer. You're gonna click on, it was zusammenfassende Meldung, short ZM. You're gonna click on continue, and you're gonna click on just fucking take the data from your last one, but I'll explain it to you too. So this is for example, in this case, 2026, the second quarter. I think that's the second quarter. Anyways, you're gonna click here on no, and next you're gonna change it. This right here is the ID of Google. You can copy that from this video, and you're gonna enter in the sum of what Google has paid you in the 3 months. So for example, for me it is, let me look, 1,564 euros. What is very important is that if you use content management systems, like for example I do, this right here is, by the way, only the payment from the AdSense that is in my personal name, that is not connected to content management systems, you do not have to enter them here except if the thing is also part of the EU. As an example, Palantir isn't, and I've received the majority of my earnings through them, which means I do not have to, even though originally the earnings are from Google, write this in here. It's sort of something to keep in mind. Anyways, you're gonna select sonstige Leistungen, click OK, and yeah, then you're done. Look if everything is correct. There's no mistakes. And I have to blur some stuff probably.